Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So in today's Vlogmas, I will be revealing a surprise item from my Diptyque Advent Calendar Day 3. So stay with me until the end, I will share it with you. But meanwhile, I will be doing my unboxing and review of my Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Does this Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer worth every penny? Let's see. I know this is pricey. It is retailed as $399.99 online on Dyson.com, at Sephora, Ulta, Nordstrom, Saks, Neiman Marcus. I've been wanting to purchase this Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. However, I still have my old traditional hair dryer and I totally forgot what brand it was. I already disposed it when I got this. Yeah, it's been like a month. I'm not using any hair dryer at all. But luckily, my husband got this Dyson hair dryer for me, this Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, because I've been wanting to get this, but it's kind of pricey. I didn't get the other one, the Dyson Airwrap, which has a lot of attachments or a huge kit. I want something simple. I just want something, a blow dryer or a hair dryer, and this one works best for me. This Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, it is a bladeless blow dryer with a tiny internal motor and 3 magnetic styling attachments. So what I got is a limited edition, so it comes with a round brush and a detangler comb. But right now, I was browsing online on Dyson.com, I couldn't find this product anymore. However, I saw it on Nordstrom.com. They still have this limited edition. There are different colors for this product, but this one, the one I got, is a limited edition. So most of the other products, it comes in, mine is a fuchsia pink. The other colors are like silver or gray and orange, gray and black, or gray and purple, or gray and silver. So this one is a different package. So yeah, we got this 2 weeks ago. I'm not surprised, probably they sold out during Black Friday or Cyber Monday, but I got this before Thanksgiving. It is truly lightweight, it's quiet, and I could say this is ultimately the most powerful blow dryer I have ever used, because I was shocked at how fast and strong the air comes out from this hair dryer. And also, I love the design of this hair dryer because my hair will definitely have no chance of getting caught in the back of the hair dryer, if you know what I mean, because most of the time it gets caught in the back of the hair dryer. Is it pricey? Yes, for me it is pricey. But if you care about the health of your hair, this is something that you should invest in. And if you want something that is durable and easy to use, and it really does leave my hair soft, smooth, and incredibly shiny. So this fancy hair dryer is worth every penny. So my hair is so fine, it takes me about 10 minutes at most to blow dry my hair. But Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer cuts down by at least 4 or 5 minutes. I'm actually using this hair towel to cut down the blow drying time. So it leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. This is for everyone and anyone. So in today's surprise goodie from my Diptyque Advent Calendar Day 3, and the number 3 should be here. Number 3 is the Dyson. It's a perfume, so it's good. It's a good ice for traveling. I love that. So that's for day 3. It is none other than Son Eau de Toilette in the size 10 ml. If you love floral scents, you're going to love this one because it is absolutely gorgeous and a little goes a long way. The scent really stays on my skin and it is very long lasting. And if you're a fan of tuberose fragrances, because this is a floral fragrance, this one is definitely for you. This is by far the best, or one of the best, I guess, because there's one more that I really wanted from Diptyque. But this is by far one of the best Diptyque scents. So you won't regret buying this one. So that is all for today's Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas. Make sure to give this a like, subscribe to my channel, and also ring the bell. I'll see you tomorrow for my Vlogmas Day 4 reveal. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!